The Jamaican sun beat down on the white sand of Negril Beach. Drake, looking a little out of place in his designer streetwear, sighed. He was supposed to be relaxing, escaping the Toronto chill, but felt strangely isolated. Then, Moy and Peter, two vibrant souls with matching afros that seemed to defy gravity, bounced up to him. "Welcome to Jamrock, Mon," Peter greeted, his smile wide enough to rival the turquoise sea. "You look like you need a proper Jamaican experience." Moy, equally effervescent, chimed in, "First ting, forget the phone. Drake, time 5 vibes and good food." Drake, intrigued, hesitantly agreed. They whisked him away from the secluded resort, first to a local jerk shack. The smoky aroma of the seasoned chicken alone was enough to lift his spirits. Peter ordered for him a plate piled high with jerk chicken, rice and peas, and a fiery Scotch bonnet pepper sauce on the side. Drake, usually a cautious eater, surprised himself by digging in with gusto. The explosion of flavor made him understand why everyone raved about Jamaican food. He even dared to try a tiny dab of the Scotch bonnet, instantly regretting it but laughing along with Moy and Peter as tears streamed down his face. Next, they led him to a hidden cove where the water glowed an otherworldly blue. Moy, a talented swimmer, taught him the basics of free diving, encouraging him to plunge into the depths and experience the vibrant coral reefs teeming with life. Peter strummed a reggae tune on his battered guitar, the rhythm infectious and grounding as the sun began to set. Painting the sky in hues of orange and purple, they shared stories. Moy spoke of her dreams of opening a natural hair salon, while Peter talked about his ambition to become a music producer. Drake, in turn, found himself opening up about the pressures of fame and the desire for genuine connection. Underneath the starlit Jamaican sky, Drake realized he wasn't just on vacation. He was experiencing a genuine warmth and connection that he hadn't felt in a long time. Thanks to Moy and Peter, the land of wood and water had truly become his home away from home, at least for a little while. He finally understood the magic of Jamaica, a magic that had nothing to do with luxury and everything to do with the spirit of its people. As he drifted off to sleep that night, the gentle rhythm of reggae still echoing in his ears, he knew this was a holiday he would never forget.